Hey everybody, we're back for Read Across America Week, and this book is called If You Give a Dog a Donut, and we are here reading with Tucker the Dachshund. You ready for a story? Yeah. If you give a dog a donut, well, he's going to ask for some apple juice. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more, but there won't be any left, so he'll want to make some on his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball, so he'll want to go play. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat, and he'll ask you to pitch. All right, let's go on and see who we can read to next. All right, we're here with little Miss Yaya. You little hound dog? All right, Yaya, let's see what's going to happen if you give a dog a donut. Well, then he's going to hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance. Look at how silly his happy dance is. Do you see how silly his happy dance is? Then dancing's going to make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. Oh no! And then you're going to have to dry him off with a bandana. And of course, he'll wrap that bandana around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. So you'll have to get some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. What do you think's going to happen? We're going to go next door to find out. Well, you get your scratches. Can I help you with those scratches? Here you go. Let me help you with those scratches. There. Good girl, Yaya. Thanks for letting me read to you today. Apollo, our little German Shepherd. We're going to finish the story. How does that sound? Huh? You're such a good boy. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. Okay, so now, we've got the kite in the apple tree. I know. Oh no. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some apple juice. What's going to happen next? I don't know. And chances are he'll ask for some apple juice. Uh-oh, Apollo. So what goes well with apple juice? Then he's going to want a donut to go with it. What do you think? Now, Apollo, should we give dogs donuts? I know, but we shouldn't because they're not good for them. Boys and girls, other things that you don't want to give dogs are things like chocolate. You probably know that. But did you know that you shouldn't give dogs grapes, onions, or avocados? Some things don't go well with dogs and they're poisonous to them. So before you give a dog anything, make sure that it's safe for the dog, like Apollo. And do you know what Apollo's favorite treats are? Liver treats. You love them. Yay! Thanks for listening, Apollo. And thanks for listening, boys and girls.